My CDW45W10 Curry's Slimline dishwasher won't start a program. The first indicator light comes on and you hear a sound, but it never commences with water filling and the starts beeping and switch to third indicator light.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years and currently work for a well-known manufacturer. What sound do you hear? Is it the drain pump that's running all the time? Regards.
The first blue light, pre-wash, of the program starts flashing and I hear a hum for several minutes but never hear the sound of water. After a couple of minutes the program jumps to light 3, rinse, which flashes along with an audible beeping. I have checked the water in line and everything is okay with that. It sounds like a pump issue to me, but you are the expert. What are your thoughts? Could this be to do with an anti-flooding system? If so, how can this be reset and how would it have been activated in the first instance?
If you open the door and look inside the dishwasher, is the bottom in there covered in water?
There is a little bit, perhaps more than usual but not excessive. The filters are clean. I live alone and rinse all the plates before they go in. I only use the appliance once every 3 to 4 days, so there is next to no food residue to clean from filter.
Okay, if you see water there then it hasn't drained, as there should be no water at all above the filters, so it does sound like a draining issue. What you need to do is scoop out all the water in there. Pull the dishwasher out and remove the right-hand side panel. From there follow the gray drain hose and it will go to the pump. You need to remove this pump and clear out any debris that's stuck in there jamming it up. Once clear, refit the pump and retry it on a cycle and fingers crossed this will get it back up and running again from there. Let me know how it goes. Regards.
Okay, thank you. I will try that now.
No worries.
How many people do you get who succeed in getting to the pump? Smile. Not quite as simple as a side panel smile, however I am quite practical and love a challenge. The pump, although didn't appear to be clogged, did have a few grains of, you are probably waiting to hear this, rust from plate/cups baskets, which are manufactured to such a poor quality where the steel becomes exposed where the plastic coating is poor, less than 2 years use. I removed, reassembled, and it has started a cycle. What can I do about these rusty baskets? If they are not replaced, this will happen over and over. There seems to be part numbers for a number of things on the manual, but not these rubbish parts. Any advice? And by the way, your advice was not only spot on, but the process quick and easy to use. I imagine every few people would be able to attempt the repair, but knowing a likely cause of a problem is a head start. Thank you very much.
Hi, not many succeed unless they are quite handy, as these dishwashers are Chinese built and are not really the best built, so access can be harder unlike other brands of dishwashers. As to the baskets, copy and paste the link below for the part. But as you can see, they are not the best quality, so will more than likely happen again. http://www.buyspares.co.uk/currys-essentials/cdw45w10/basket rack/catalog.pl Path equals 4638588 to 4963324, 5431448 to 5435154, and model_ref equals 654136, and refine equals basket %20 rack. Regards.
Excellent, thank you, Daniel. I found some with Partmaster after a quick Google search too. Many thanks. Have a good day.
You're very welcome. Have a good day yourself. Also, if you haven't already, if you could rate the answer, that would be great. Many thanks.
Oops, sorry, I did forget that. Needless to say, you get 5 stars.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.